ang inyong damdamin, isipan, so pwede rin kayong magtrabaho for the same purpose, for the common mission. Diba? Otherwise, walang pamilya. Kasi with communication comes collaboration. And with collaboration and communication, you'll have a sense of communion. Pagkakaisa. Pag marunong kayo mag-usap-usap, at pwede kayo magtulungan, ang tingin niyo sa inyong sarili, kayo'y talaga may pinagsasamahan. Meron kayong pagkakasama, pagkakaisa. So we have to renew the family. Not just by simply the family that prays together, stays together. But the family that eats together. Merong bagong advertisement ang Lucky Me. Lucky Me, no? May mga advertisement ang Lucky Me. Meron isang bata, naka-Lucky Me siya. Pero walang mga magulang, andun lang yung yaya. You know what the boy did? He got the, parang, kasi naka-chopstick siya, Chinese, no? The chopsticks, tapos kumano siya sa chopsticks. Tapos kinuha niya yung tubig and started. So, lasinggero na. Saka nagsisigarilyo, 3 years old. Bakit? Walang kasama sa bahay. Naglalaro ng paninigarilyo at pag-iinom. So it's not easy to form a family. That's why maybe the people that you have left behind, you must keep on communicating. I think that is essential to your life as a family. Sabi nila, out of sight, out of mind. Pag hindi mo nakikita, mawawala na rin sa iyong isipan. At di yung makakaligtaan. Nagtrabaho ka pa. Naghanap buhay ka pa. Pupunta ka lang sa kabilang bahay. Hindi sa kabilang buhay. I think it's very essential sa atin that we keep the sense of our home, of our family. Alam ko, pwede siguro marami din sa inyo ito merong sakit na loob dyan. Siguro, isang bagay bakit kayo umalis ng Pilipinas ay kasi masama ang loob nyo sa inyong kasambahay. Pwedeng biyanan, pwedeng asawa. Pero, you will never be fully complete if you would not have your family. Alam niyo, ang pamilya rin ang maglilibing sa inyo. Pamilya rin ang magdadala sa inyo sa pinto. There's nobody that will bring us to our grave except our family. So kung ating mabubuo ang ating pamilya, ay mas mabuti yan. Kasi hahanapin niya ng Diyos sa atin. Where is Abel? Am I my brother's keeper? And the answer of God is silence. Because silence means, yes, you are your brother's keeper. So kung hindi naman kasama yung asawa, alam niyo ang ginawa sa akin sa going back to my pinsan? She was always going to communion and to adoration every day. Nag-adoration po siya. So when she was telling me, bakit kaya nakapagbalik loob ang aking asawa? Sabi ko, siguro pati yung iyong komunyon at yung araw-araw mong adoration, kasi kayo magkabiyak. Alam niyo magkabiyak? Di pagbiyak, di biyak. Diba? So kung kayo magkabiyak, somehow, ang ginagawa ng isa, nakatutulong sa isa. Kahit minsan, parang nawala na sa iyong puso, damdam. Pero yung ilapit mo sa sarili mo sa Diyos, baka tulungan ng Diyos, ilapit ang kanyang sarili sa iyong kabiyak. Na siyang ginawa sa asawa ng pinsan ko. Ang Diyos ang lumapit sa pamagitan ng kanyang dalawang anak. To his daughters, God approached this man. And so, to so many persons, approach this person. So that God was telling this person, there's always hope. There's always hope. When Jesus Christ had a wonderful family of the 12 apostles, but one betrayed him. But when they met in the Garden of Gethsemane, Jesus Christ didn't say, Judas ka, ha? Then he said, friend. Nung hinagkan siya ni Judas, he called him friend. To the point that when Peter denied him 3 times, Jesus looked at him straight in the eye. And when Judas, I don't know why he lost his sense of hope, but Peter did not. Thanks be to God. And you know, when Peter denied Jesus, nevertheless, Jesus went back to them. Lahat sila, they left Jesus. Ang lahat, all the 12 left Jesus, abandoned him. Pero binalikan niya. At sila ngayon ang ating apostoles. Sila pa rin ang ating misyonero. Itong mga nagkanulo, itong umalis, inabandon si Jesus Christ, they are our apostles. They are our saints. Bakit? Because Jesus Christ didn't give them up. He never gave up his family. Once he loved you, he will always love you. When Adam and Eve went into sin, di ba? The first parents, they committed sin. Sino naghanap? Sila nagtago. Ang Diyos ang naghanap. Di ba? Where are you, Adam? And Adam and Eve were hiding, no? Sabi niya, okay tayo, di tayo nakikita. Adam, where are you? Sabi niya pa, Adam, where are you? Oh, hindi tayo nakikita. Adam, ano ka ba? Alam mo kung nasan ka. Ikaw, alam mo kung nasan ka. Adam, do you know where you are? Ano bang inabot mo, sinapit mo, Adam? Alam mo, gusto ko yung tanong ng Panginoon. Kasi sa tagal kong pagtuturo, sabi ko, meron ako mga tanong sa Diyos eh. Pag namatay ako, ito ang tanong ko sa Niya. Bakit kaya, nung si Adam and Eve committed sin, bakit di mo na sila ginawang baog? Diba? Why did you not curse Adam and Eve and not have a child?
Parang hindi naman.
Sasabihin niya sa akin, eh di wala ka. So, is there something greater than our sin? Yes. What is greater than our sin is that we have life. And greater than our life is that we could belong to God one day. Makababalik loob tayo sa Diyos. Bahagi ng family, renewal of the family, is forgiveness. Pagpapatawad. Pag walang forgiveness, walang pamilya. Huwag niyo akong patawarin. Kahit habaan ko pa ito ng 2 oras. At least isang araw lang. Pero pag kinakausap ka ng oras-oras ng iyong asawa, yun dapat mong patawarin. Nakakabangon na eh, di ba? That's what you have to forgive. You don't have to be patient with me. I'm only here for 1 day. But when you get married to somebody, there you've got to be patient. It's every day. Love is patient. And love is kind. So, the renewal of our families, it's very important to renew the sense of belonging, of communion. You can only do that by communication as well as by collaboration. So, patapos na tayo. 5:00 na, di ba?
Yes, 5
na eh. So, meron pa tayong 4. Next time na lang. So, mag-email na lang tayo. Buksan nyo na yung wall ko, yung aking Facebook. Meron naman ako every month na binibigay itong parang teaching sa community. Una, binibigay ko para sa mga MVs ng Europe. Pero I already opened it to the community. So, just go to my Facebook and you will find me. Pero I would really say na, well, siguro it's Advent season naman. I could share something more during the Mass. So, salamat po.